In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to vectorize a logo image using Adobe Illustrator.
The very first step is I'm going to vectorize this logo. I'm going to use Adobe Illustrator's built-in vector function. It's called image trace. So if I select this, it's currently a JPEG, and go up to image trace. I can see it in my top bar here. If you don't see it, you can go up to object, image trace, and make. So when I click the image trace button, Adobe Illustrator does its best to trace all the lines inside of this logo. So it vectorized it in black and white only. For some logos, that's fine. This didn't quite work the way I wanted. So I'm going to go up to the image trace panel up here at the top. And in this panel, you have lots of different vectorizing options. We are going to go to the mode, and instead of black and white, we want to choose color. So it's going to think for a second. And right now I can see that it is vectorizing 30 different colors in this logo. You can see the 30 here. So you can change the amount of colors with the slider. Typically with a logo design, you really don't want more than a few colors. So I'm just going to slide it way down here and see what happens. Let's go to 6 and see what result we get. Okay, that's better. I might even try 5 just to make sure there's not additional colors just sneaking into this. Okay, so when I did that, it got rid of the hand colors. So let's go back to 6. You can see it just took colors away. That's kind of what it's doing with this slider. Okay, this looks pretty close to what I want for my vector. So click expand, and that will actually vectorize the logo.
If you'd like to learn how to design logos yourself, download my free logo design workbook at the bottom of this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Cry Studio for more graphic design and Adobe tutorials. Thanks so much.